Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can create a new board in Collect. Maybe you want to organize your files that you uploaded and Collect, so you want to make a new board, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you on how you can add and create a new board in Collect. Please check the description below and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you'll see these options below. All items, boards, sort later, and account. So to create a new board, simply tap on this boards button. And then in here, you will see this organize ideas and style. Create a board and share it with others if you want. In here, to create your new board, simply tap on this plus icon. And then as you can see in here, you have your add items. Since you are creating a new board, simply tap on this create new board. And then in here, you have to name your new board. For example, I'll name it Academics. And then in here, you can also add a description. Just simply tap on this. After that, simply tap on this save button. And as you can see, you already created a new board. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a new board on your Collect application, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way to create a new board on this Collect application, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.